In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Mcafee WebAdvisor extension. This is a valuable tool designed to help protect you from potential online threats as you surf the internet. Installing this extension is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that you have it set up in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to the Mcafee Total Protection webpage. This is where you'll start your journey towards enhancing your web safety with the Mcafee WebAdvisor. You can typically find this page by searching for Mcafee Total Protection in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the page to familiarize yourself with the offerings if you haven't already done so. After you've landed on the correct page, look for the login option. It should be fairly prominent, usually at the top of the page. Click on Login and proceed to enter your account credentials. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your personalized dashboard where you can manage your Mcafee subscriptions and services. If you're new and don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Mcafee home dashboard. This is your control center, where all the features of your Mcafee subscription are at your fingertips. Navigate around to locate the Mcafee protection section. It typically highlights various aspects of their protection suite, and it should be easy to find. Moving on, click into the Mcafee protection section. It will guide you through additional security enhancements you might be interested in, but for now, our focus is on the WebAdvisor. In this section, you'll find various tools and features that are part of the Mcafee Protection Bundle. Next up, find the section labeled Web and give it a click. This step will funnel you into the specifics of your web protection capabilities. Here you can see options specifically tied to internet security and browsing protection. When you click Web Protection, you'll be presented with several tools, including the WebAdvisor extension we aim to install. It's located here to ensure you're protected while browsing. To proceed, select the Add button for the Mcafee WebAdvisor extension. This simple action initiates the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the integration of the Mcafee WebAdvisor into your web browser of choice. Typically, this involves granting necessary permissions and approving the extension addition. And there you have it. With those steps completed, the Mcafee WebAdvisor extension will be installed and ready to safeguard your web browsing experience. Take a moment to ensure it's enabled in your browser's extension settings so you can start benefiting from enhanced web protection straight away. Happy and safe browsing!